Hello and welcome. This is Arbaz from the experts team at Analysis Prime, and today we are going to talk about SAP Analytics Cloud System Overview Performance One Pager. This is a powerful tool designed to centralize all critical performance insights in one visually intuitive format, which you can see on my screen. This one pager gathers key statistics from a range of sources, removing the need for manual data collection and providing administrators with a streamlined, consolidated view. Accessing the overview is quite straightforward. On your home page, expand the navigation bar, click on System, and select Overview. Each of these sections includes helpful guides, which you can access by clicking on the eye icon, and also interactive pop-ups that reveal detailed KPI information. You can filter these to focus on specific elements like change logs, which could enable targeted analysis. For deeper insights, the one-pager offers seamless integration with existing analysis tools. For instance, it allows direct access to backend performance data where administrators can review historical records and track runtime distribution for long-running tasks. Each KPI tile serves as a launch point for further exploration. By clicking on a tile, you are taken directly to a performance analysis tool. If, for example, a story has high loading times, this tool identifies slower widgets and provides an end-to-end overview of the loading sequence, helping to quickly solve bottlenecks. You can see this on the screen. There's a ton of information that's provided with respect to the backend tool. Additionally, the tool's error checking capability is designed to enhance system reliability. Administrators can enhance or examine histories, gaining insight into the specifics, such as which models or stories were affected, allowing issues to be addressed efficiently.